Good morning, everybody. This is the Trucker Jukebox.
Well, when I was just a little bitty kid, I remember one time Mama said that he'd send you all of his love from Frisco Bay. I didn't understand till I was grown why my daddy didn't spend some time at home instead of run around the country that way. Whoa, I'm looking at the world through a windshield.
And we gotta go and make a delivery. We're not that far away, but we're gonna go make a delivery. Man, we got a good night's sleep last night. We're in Norton, I think I'm saying that right, Norton, Illinois. This is an ambust. There is what you call like a K kangaroo or something like that, but I guess the fuel and everything is man, that sun is associated to ambust. We better let them people out first. They're getting a red light. It is early. It is morning. 7:41 a.m. Central Standard Time. We're not going to get on 74, but we're going to take this one road, go around. Then we got to take that little detour, because you remember that 13-foot bridge? Or viaduct? I can't go under it. But we did call. We got directions how we can get around that.
Sleet and rain, and I've driven through the rough terrain of the Rockies to the docks of old L.A. And on down that old Pacific shore, swing north and run for Baltimore, somewhere about 2,000 miles away. Whoa, I'm looking at the world through the windshield, watching it fly by me on the right. I got a sweet little thing I'm wanting to see in Nashville.
That's a double turn, so we gotta get over one lane to the right because it's a double turn. Reason why you gotta do that, because that trailer, you gotta swing it, and if I was over there in that left turning lane and had to swing, well, my truck could actually hit anything that's over here in the right. But if I'm over here in the right, I can go ahead and go out to make the turn, and I don't have to worry about, I can clear the left side of me much easier than I could if I was trying to clear the right side of me. That's usually the rule of the thumb anyway. If you're making a left turn, 2 turning lanes, get in the right. You're making a right turn, 2 turning lanes, get in the left. Because of the swing. See what I'm saying? Now I can go out and be okay with it. Then make my turn. My trailer's inside my turning lane. And I don't hit nothing, and holy cow, man. It's what you call looking right at the sun. You guys remember this part? It's going to be back up here at the circle. Only reason why I say it's not really a roundabout, it's like a courtyard circle. So I got a feeling this was here before the roundabouts were actually maybe really thought about. I wish I could just go straight because it would make it a lot easier as far as turning on that road. And I have a yield sign or a stop sign. They have a yield sign, so I gotta be like. Okay, now we gotta go. I just gotta kick it out there before they get out there. But this time we don't take that one road that's got the 13-foot bridge. See, that's not even on the Randy McNally map. I didn't even know that was there. I do now because of yesterday, but I didn't even know that was easier. See, I can't make that turn without making it wide. Or I take that park bench and all that. These guys, they know I got to swing it wide. Yep, see, this is what we got to do. No problem, though. I just got to let the cars let me do that, right? Now we take this to the light to make a left. And we can get it over the railroad track right there. And we got to make another left. And they're working on the road up here, or they're working on something up here. Utility workers. They're not working on the road, just still got to watch them. They're crossing back and forth. This is Washington again. But we got to go to the light, make a left. And I tell you what, just because of that railroad trestle there, because I'm right there, it's just on the other side of that was where is where I've got to go. But because of that, I got to go all the way down here, make a left, just to go around that. Mueller Supply. 224. Okay, it's going to be on the right side. Comet Supply, I mean. Looking for 312. That's 208. It's on down. $300. That's a concrete mix plant right there. $312 right here. Well, we found her. We just gotta. Said you gotta turn off the street into the dock. Really? That's what they say. Yeah. You know what that means, right? I wonder if you can go up in there and turn around and come out. Right there's the dock, though. I guess you could probably. They got rocks there, though. I'm not sure if they allow trucks in their lot, but I think I'm gonna back up a little bit. See if I can make that turn. Got to be careful because there's a rock right there on the corner. I think I could do this, but I need to, as soon as I get in there, I gotta stay far to the right. Yep, just like that. I know you guys can't see my wheels, but I had to do this in order to miss that rock. It's not a big rock, but I know why they got it there. I'm gonna open my doors from here. Looks like I got more room. It looks like I'm going to be blocking up some of that road. Be back. Go open the doors, buddy. Go open them doors. Let's go open them doors. Yeah. Going over there. See that little rock? It's not big, but I know why they got it there. Yep, I gotta go get my pliers. Yep, I had to get my pliers. I forgot what kind of seal was on here. You can't really grab a hold of like a regular plastic seal and bust off. Trusty pliers. Just like that. That's what we got. We'll pop these open. I only got one danger point on this, and that is crossing that road, backing up. So hopefully people are watching. Yep. Let me grab that other glove. And my pliers. My trusty pliers. I'm glad. I don't think anybody's here, but I had to actually, it's a sports bar, but I had to use their lot. Alright. Alrighty. We are loaded. And ladies and gentlemen, we are headed to Hartford, Michigan. We are in Movin. As soon as we deliver there, then we got to go to Warsaw. Pick up our next load. We got 3 drops up in Minneapolis, St. Paul, or Minnesota, and our first drop will be Minneapolis Monday. So we're gonna roll that direction. Might be having supper with somebody tomorrow. Might be. I don't want to really say just yet until I know for sure if it's a fact. And it's not because he wouldn't want to. It's just if something was to go wrong, you know. Let's turn on the radio. Let's listen to a little bit of music.
Big wheels rolling, moving on. Big wheels rolling, gotta keep 'em going. Big wheels rolling, moving on. The white line is a lifeline to a nation, and men like Will and Sonny make it move. Living like a gypsy, always on the go, doing what the best know how to do. Jamming gear's got to be a fever, 'cause men become addicted to the grind. It takes a special breed to be a truck driving man, and a steady hand to pull that load behind. Big wheels rolling, moving on. Big wheels rolling, gotta keep 'em going. Big wheels rolling, moving on. All night country music keeps 'em going, and Will and Sonny keep on moving on. A good hot cup of coffee is waiting up ahead, and the rhythm of the highway hums along. Jamming gears has got to be a fever, 'cause men become addicted to the grind. It takes a special breed to be a truck driving man, and a steady hand to pull that load behind. Big wheels rolling, moving on. Big wheels rolling, gotta keep 'em going. Big wheels rolling, moving on.
Well, they told me to go into dock number 2. I'm at my delivery here in Hartford, Michigan. I was told he's going in 3. Open my doors. We'll be right back. Alright, we are now leaving the Pilot truck stop. Oh yeah. And we gotta head on up now to Warsaw. We got our coffee. Took the boys out. Get on up to R&R down here in Warsaw.
What a need for my sitting in my chair, staring where the guy in my windshield I can see what life means to me, and I think the man is just for me. In my backyard is from Canada to Mexico, from the East Coast to the West. I've got the best in my home, sweet home, the road.
You coming up here? Come on. Where's Pooh Bear at? Oh, you back there. Hi, Pooh Bear. Are you sleeping? Was you sleeping? Hi. Oh, yeah. Did you have a good day today? Huh? Okay. Did you have a good day today too? Was it okay? You getting tired? Well, Daddy's got to go back there and render a video before I go to bed. Yeah. Anyway, guys, we are done for today. Absolutely. We're kind of in the dark at Warsaw. We got our load. We did get loaded. So we just got to go to bed, wake up, and start rolling. And we are actually going to go up through Wisconsin. And there is actually somebody coming this way. And we're going to actually, I think it's going to happen. We're going to bump into somebody. And you guys already know who he is. but it'll still keep the suspense when we bump into him. Yeah, we're going to do lunch and just hang out again for a few, and then he'll have to go and I'll have to go. But anyway, we're tired. We're going to get ready to go to bed. Hey, if you're not subscribed to the Trucker Jukebox, we invite you to come along and ride with us. And if you like the video, please share. Remember, we have our store. We are working on it. We're going to get more merchandise in there. So if you see something in there you like, hey, help yourself. And but anyway, we're done. We're out of here. Good night. God bless. We'll see you guys come 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. With that being said, we'll see you later. Later. Hey, Pooh.